Hi my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous gift box for the Christmas occasion. This is very festive and propped for the Christmas colors. I have used here reds, greens, goldens, and also I will share how to create the box from scratch, how to make the poinsettia flowers along with the bells, and you can simply open the box like this using ribbon. And inside the box I have added lots of chocolates, but you can put candles or small gift items, anything whatever you want to give to your family or your friends. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking 24 by 24 centimeters white color cardstock, and from left side I have creased at 4, 8, 16 and 20 centimeters. Now rotate the sheet, and again from left side I have creased at 4, 8, 16 and 20 centimeters. Here I had smaller size sheets, so I have just joined two sheets together to create the required size. Now we just need to chop four corners like this so that we can construct the box. We need to make two cuts like this, then rotate the sheet and create cuts like this, and similarly we have to cut all remaining corners. So after cutting four corners, it should look like this. Then it's time to construct the box. So first I am joining these two flowers directly with the base, and then other two sides I will create by tucking the two panels inside each other. Like this. So the base box of today's project is ready. Now here I am going to decorate it with this beautiful Christmas pattern paper. So I am decorating from inside in darker shades. Also adding the same pattern paper on the edges. And now taking the lighter tone pattern paper, which I am going to add from outer side of the box. Many kind of different Christmas pattern paper packs are available in different stores, and one of them I have given link in description box if you want to purchase for yourself. And similarly I have decorated the box from all four sides. So this is done. Now to create lid, here I am taking 30 by 13 centimeter red color paper. This is simply 100 GSM paper, and two cardboard pieces which measures 9 by 9 centimeters. So it will come in the base like this, and in the center I am adding one more cardboard piece which is 4 by 9 centimeters. So here I am creating the lid which you can open very easily, and this will be quite sturdy one. So we have to stick all these cardboard pieces like this on the red paper by leaving little gaps so that we will have the space to fold it. Then just fold it from both the sides, and then start chopping the corners like this, and cover the cardboard pieces from all the sides using glue. and this is completely ready. Now before decorating with another red paper, we have to add the ribbon. So here I am taking double-sided tape, connecting the tape exactly in the center horizontally, and then removing the liner and sticking red color satin ribbon. And after that I am decorating the top part using red color paper strip. So the lid is ready. Now taking back my box, and exactly in the center I am sticking the box like this. Also connecting the back portion with the box. So it's ready. Now I'm just tying the ribbon and our box is completely ready. Now I'm decorating the box from inside to decorate the lid and also from outside. From outer side I'm using same darker tone cardstock which I have used inside the box. And also decorating the back side. And the box is ready. Now it's time to decorate this with quilling flowers. So to create my first poinsettia flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of red color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of maroon color and making one leaf shape. After that I am joining all 3 petals together and wrapping this complete petal using red color strip. So the one petal is ready. Now I am joining total 5 petals to make the first layer of the flower. Like this. Now I have prepared one more same flower petals already. Add little glue and between 2 petals I am going to add one more petal. So it will be the second layer of the flower. Now to make the center pollens, here I am taking very small yellow color strip which I have already cut in fringes, and we have to just make very small thin fringe flower here which will work like the pollen of the flowers. So this is ready, just opening the fringes and connecting exactly in the center of the flower. And cute poinsettia flower is ready. With the same method I have prepared one more. Now to make leaf, here I am taking sap green color 3 mm strip, just creating the loops like this, and don't forget to add glue between each loop. So first we have to create big loop, then two small loop on both the sides, and again two small loops on both the sides. So in total I am making 5 petals loop and the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves already. Now to create another kind of leaf, here I am taking half strip of dark sap green color in 3mm and making a leaf shape first, and then we have to pinch on both the sides like this. So it will be the another kind of leaf, and with the same method I have prepared some more already. Then to make bell, here I am taking golden color strip and wrapping it around the paintbrush and making one ring shape. In total I am going to add 3 strips. Then just opening it and making a dome shape. Add glue inside this and allow it to dry. After that I am attaching golden color ball chain around the bell. Then keeping it aside for drying. Till that time I am making some fillers. So here I am taking 1/8 strip of light red color in 3mm and making one tight coil. With the same method I have already prepared lots of fillers using 1/4 strips and 1/8 strips. Then taking back the bell, which is completely dried, and now I am going to divide this in 2 parts since we are making 2D quilling decoration. So I am dividing the bell in 2 parts so that it will convert in 2 bells, and we can attach on the card so that on top it will look like there are having 2 bells and it will not having so much dimension. So just taking back my box and decorating with the bells, flowers and leaves decoration. After that I am just stamping Merry Christmas on white color cardstock using black ink. If you don't have this kind of stamp, you can simply write with any brush pen or black marker with your own handwriting. And then I am sticking this sentiment in one corner of the box. On back side of sentiment I have added red color paper. Then here and there I am adding light red color tight coils as the fillers. And also adding some silver color stones here and there randomly for little blink. And the box is completely ready, looking very gorgeous. Now I'm putting some chocolates inside this, but you can add gift watches or nice small perfume bottles or some fragrant small candles. So whatever you want you can add inside the box. Now I'm just tying the ribbon and the super gorgeous gift box is completely ready. I'm just loving the outcome so much, and according to your requirement you can change the dimension of the box. So it's all up to you. You want smaller one or bigger one. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Merry Christmas in advance. Thanks for watching. Bye.